In this exercise, we're given a 3 by 3 matrix. This is the one, and we want to compute the adjoint of this, and then using the adjoint to compute the inverse. Now, there is the formula we had before, but of course we don't do it by the formula. It's just a mess of letters. Just remember the principle. So we have a 3 by 3. We're expecting to get a 3 by 3. What we do is the checkerboard pattern is important, and that I'll highlight that in one color. And at the very end, we're also going to do a transpose of the matrix. And in between, well, I'll illustrate and position row 3, column 2. So I'm talking about also here, row 3, column 2. We have the sign already. What we do is we cross out the row and column of this position to get the minor. The minor is what's left. It's A, D, C, F. Or if you look at it, if you do it in the regular order, A, C, D, F. And here we have A, C, D, F. And so on through all of them. And then we also numerically compute each of these. For example, here we would have AF minus DC. So let's go to our particular matrix and do that. And again, I'll demonstrate on this position. We have this row 3, column 2. So we strike out the row and the column. And that gives us this and this, which is here. And then we have the checkerboard sign from here. And so this particular element is going to be 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, less 0, it's minus 2, but times the minus, so we'll get a plus 2. And in fact, that is this here. Okay, I left it as minus minus, but the answer is 2. And similarly for all the others, we take the pluses and minuses, we compute the 2 by 2 determinants,